Unveiling the phrase, tall drink. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might quench your curiosity, tall drink. Whether you've heard it in a movie, read it in a book, or stumbled upon it in a conversation, understanding such phrases can be a key to mastering the English language. Let's explore what tall drink means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, tall drink, typically refers to a long beverage, usually alcoholic, served in a tall glass. It can also imply that the drink is strong or has a larger quantity of liquid than standard drinks. But there's more to it when you dive into English idioms and expressions. Often, you might hear someone referred to as a tall drink of water. This is an idiom that paints a picture of a person who is tall and refreshingly good-looking, just as a long, cold drink is refreshing on a hot day. This expression is a compliment and is generally used in a light-hearted and playful manner. When using tall drink in conversations, context is key. For instance, complimenting someone's looks. Did you see that actor in the new film? He's a tall drink of water. Describing a drink. I'll have a tall drink with ice and lemon, please. Remember, using idiomatic expressions like tall drink of water makes your English sound more natural and fluent. But be aware that such phrases are more common in certain regions, so they may not be universally understood in the same way. It's interesting to note that idioms reflect culture and geography. Tall drink of water is an expression that you might find more in American English, showcasing the variety within the language itself. This makes learning English an exciting journey into different cultures. That's a wrap on the phrase, tall drink. I hope this video has been as refreshing as a tall, icy beverage on a warm summer day. Remember, understanding phrases like this one is a great step towards sounding like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.